Welcome to Susie's Secret Recipes. So tell me, who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies? In fact, it's one of my favorites. So today we are going to be making the ultimate chocolate chip cookies in a skillet. So grab your cast iron and let's get the show on the road. So now we are ready to make our chocolate chip cookie in a cast iron skillet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're wanting to spray it really good, guys, with a butter cooking spray. And you get it covered pretty good so that you don't want it sticking to your skillet. Okay, then you're going to mix 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then whisk it and get it mixed really good. And then you're going to set it aside. Let's get busy making the dough. So you're going to take 2 cups of butter. Let's put that into your mixer. In there. And then you're going to take a cup and a fourth of sugar. Sorry about that, guys. And then we're going to blend it. Put it on medium. Half a cup of brown sugar and get it mixed. Oh my, it's beginning to look really good. I just love chocolate chip cookies. It takes me back to the day of when Mama was making cookies and we come home from school and she'd have them all ready for us, and it just brings back a lot of the special memories. Okay, let's speed it up just a little bit, and then I'm going to add the eggs. Let's get that back in there. Whoops. Okay, let's get our eggs here. Okay, pour that in and just add maybe 1 egg at a time. Let's do that. And then blend it. If you look inside here, guys, you can see it mixing. And then I'll just go ahead and dump in the other egg. And then the last one. Okay, while it's still mixing, we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And so now we are ready to add our dry mixture. And so we're going to add it gradually. So I'll just put just a little bit in. We don't want to dump the whole thing in. I've done that before and it was a mess. So let's do that, and get it mixed. So now that we have the dry ingredients blended and our dough is ready, and it does stick to the paddle, that's okay. We can get it back in there, back in the mixer. We are ready to add a little bit of sea salt. Sea salt. I love the taste of sea salt. It just adds a little bit of flavor there. And then we're going to add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So let's get that in there. I'm going to mix it again. good stuff back in the bowl. And you don't want to turn your mixer on high for this. You're just wanting to kind of blend in the chocolate chips. So we'll just kind of go real slow. Let me get my hand out of the way. There we go. Yes, we're looking good. That should do it, guys. Oh man, that looks yummy. So the next step is we're going to put it into our cast iron skillet. So let's get this into our skillet. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. I love chocolate chip cookies. Get it out of this bowl. And it's wanting, of course, to stick a little bit, but that's okay. So now that we have it all flattened out, we're going to add about a half a cup of milk chocolate chips. Oops, just kind of spread that out a little bit there. Milk chocolate chips always make everything good. Okay. That looks good, and I'm just going to take my hands, guys, and just kind of spread it out a little bit. And so I've already got my oven preheated to 350, and you're going to want to cook this for about 30-35 minutes. And so it is ready to go into the oven. While that is in there, let's go see what Jack and Molly are up to. And so Molly and I are going to go see if we can see what Jack is up to. I can hear the four-wheeler. What that dog is up to. He loves the four-wheeler. Here he comes. Hello, Jack. Hey, Jack. Hey there, big boy. Oh boy, he's like, leave me alone. It's time to go for a ride. So Molly Sue is my power walking buddy. We try to go every day. And she does about a mile, which is very good for her. Absolutely loves it. And so, it looks like Jack was having him a time. He absolutely loves to ride on the four-wheeler with Richard. And so, when Richard gets it out to do anything, Jack will just bark, 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 bark until he gets to go for a ride. So that was kind of neat to see him. So let's check on our cookie and see how it's going here. It looks and smells absolutely wonderful. Let me get this. Oh, yum. Look at that. Let's set it up here. And it needs to cool, guys, for probably about 10 minutes. And then we'll cut it and put some ice cream on it, and it'll be a little treat for Richard here in just a little while. So, but if you would like this recipe, guys, just click the subscribe button and put recipes in the comments, and I will make sure that you get a copy of it. Otherwise, I will see you guys next Wednesday with another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. Happy trails.